In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage fixed asset types in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant looking to streamline asset management, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's dive right into it. Begin by navigating to the Accountant tab within Zoho Books, a section dedicated to managing and tracking various financial aspects of your business. Once you're in the Accountant tab, look for and select the Fixed Assets option. This is where you'll be managing the different types of assets your business owns, from equipment and machinery to office furniture. When you've clicked into Fixed Assets, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Manage Asset Types option. Give that a click, and this will lead you to where you can organize and customize various types of fixed assets according to the needs of your business. Now you're going to add a new asset type to your system, so go ahead and click on the plus New Fixed Asset Type button. This opens up a form where you'll input all the necessary details to define this asset type. Start by entering a clear and specific name, which will help in easily identifying the asset within your records. Next, you'll need to select a depreciation method, an essential piece in managing the accounting side of your assets. Zoho Books offers options like the straight line method, which spreads the cost evenly across the asset's useful life, or the declining balance method, which accelerates depreciation expenses in the asset's earlier years. Choose the method that best fits your business strategy and accounting practices. You'll also specify the frequency for depreciation calculations. Monthly is a common choice that aligns with regular accounting periods. Lastly, link the asset type with the relevant accounts. You'll need to provide details for both the depreciation expense account, which tracks the costs associated with declining asset value, and the accumulated depreciation account, illustrating the total amount of depreciation that has built up over time. Ensuring these accounts are correctly set up is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Once all these details are entered, make sure to save the asset type by clicking the Save button. By doing this, you've set up a new fixed asset type in Zoho Books, which will serve as a template for managing the depreciation of specific assets. With your asset types now established, you can proceed to add individual assets into the system, choosing the appropriate asset type you just defined. This association ensures that Zoho Books can automatically calculate and post depreciation entries based on the parameters you've set, thereby automating a historically cumbersome process and contributing to more accurate financial records. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to setting up and managing fixed asset types in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll find yourself better equipped to keep your accounting transparent and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!